Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Caddy. Caddy Cargo TDI 75 horsepower M6F, a power-packed vehicle ready to tackle any job with ease. With only 2694 kilometres on the clock and a 2-litre engine, this van is practically brand new. Packed with comfort and safety features such as adjustable seats, air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, this van ensures a smooth and secure ride every time. Not to mention the convenience of Android Auto, True, CarPlay, USB, Total V power outlets, and rear parking sensors. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. It also comes with a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in the Volkswagen Caddy Cargo TDI 75 horsepower M6F and make your workday a breeze.